have I got some interesting news about the 2-in-1 Revell 30 Ford Model A Coupe coming up right here on Throttle Power. It's been 3 years since this kid hasn't been out. Where's the time go? We've all heard the rumors on why the kid hasn't been out. The dies were destroyed, dies were lost. We don't know what to believe. All we know that kid hasn't been out in quite a while. And we know the prices have really gone up. Were you lucky to get one? I wasn't. Well, just recently, I ran into Revell at a model contest. And I got to talk to them and see what they had to say. Here's what I found out. There's the box art on the 2-in-1 Revell 30 Ford Model A Coupe. There's the decals. And this thing's coming out here real soon. Since the dies have been repaired, Revell said it's coming out late this fall, just before the end of the year. Hey, is this great news or what? Because I'm like half you guys. I never got one. I know when they do come out later this year, I'm buying 2 or 3 or 4 of them. I'm not missing out this time. And we're going to build a whole bunch of them on this channel. We'll see you on the next video on Throttle Power.